Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is yet another hair tutorial. Today's video is in collaboration with UNice Hair Company. They sent me over this bomb body wave frontal wig that I have on now. And guys, I actually reviewed this wig a few months ago. I will leave the picture of the thumbnail right here so you guys can see which wig it is. Let me tell y'all, this wig was already bomb, right? But UNice went ahead and upgraded some of the features on this wig. So I am reviewing it all over again for you guys, but letting you guys know about the new features that they added to this wig. And let me tell y'all, this is one of my favorite UNice wigs to date. And y'all know I work with UNice a lot, and I will honestly say this wig is top 2, and it's not number 2. So do with that information what you will. I'm going to get into the details of this wig and how easy it is to put it on and achieve your desired look in less than 15 minutes, okay? So if you're interested in learning all about this wig, just keep on watching.
Hey guys, so let's get right into it. Please don't laugh at my hair, y'all. Yesterday was wash day, and so I tried to get my hair as flat as I could for this video. Anyway, the wig that I'm installing in today's video is from UNice Hair Company. This is the packaging that my wig came in. Along with my wig, I received some press-on nails, an edge band, and a wig cap. And the wig they sent me is their upgraded 13x4 pre-everything wig. Comes completely customized and ready to wear, lace pre-bleached and pre-plucked. This is what the inside construction of the wig looks like, and I absolutely love this new feature that they're adding, the drawstring to the back of the wig. It makes it so easy to fit the wig to your head. All you have to do is pull the drawstring tighter. I don't know about y'all, but that is such a game changer to me. It also comes with this removable elastic band. So I just went ahead and took mine off because I'm going to use the drawstring method. Again, this unit's lace parting space is 13x4. And they did add the lace tape onto the inside of the lace for my girlies who prefer no glue, glueless installs. The texture of this wig is body wave, but I do love that it comes with the beautiful big curls that it came with. It just makes it easy for my girlies who do not know how to style their own hair. Literally, it's already done for you. So as you can see, I went ahead and tried this wig on right out of the box, and it looks really good so far. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to use the adhesive tapes that are on the side. Make sure that the wig is fitting your head exactly the way you want it to. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and clean off that area where you're going to be applying the tape at. So the tape won't stick to your skin if you have like makeup on or like any heavy oils. So I'm going in with my Neutrogena face wipes, my trusty Neutrogena face wipes, and exactly where that tape is going to lay, I'm just going in and wiping off that area, cleaning off any makeup that is there. And then I'm just going to take that paper shield off of the adhesive and just stick it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure that when you put the adhesive tape on, like once you stick it down, you are pressing that firmly. Make sure you press it in. If you are going to do this wig install glueless and just use the tape, honestly, I've used the tape method before without any extra adhesives, and the longest that I was able to use the tapes for was at least like 4 days. I think I got about 4 days wear out of it. I honestly just want a little bit of extra security, so I'm going in with my lace spray just to make sure that that lace is a little tacked down. I'm sorry guys, I am coming up with a little bit of a cold, but that's why you might hear me sniffling a little bit. But anyway guys, I'm going in with my edge band and just tying down my lace with that, just to make sure that the lace is like super melted. Now I'm just going through and brushing the hair, and we're gonna get the wig together. I'm not gonna talk too much in this video, y'all. I feel like I talked enough and my voice probably sounds crazy because, like I said, I'm catching a cold. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and then I'll come back at the end to talk to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless
Chef's kiss. Like, honestly, y'all, this is one of the best wigs that I've gotten from UNice Hair Company to date. And y'all know, if you watch me frequently, I work with UNice a lot. So that says a lot about this wig. This wig is most definitely top 2 wigs that I've gotten from UNice Hair Company. I will go into my pros and my cons. I'll start with the pros because there's way more pros than cons. Pros, this wig right out of the box, curls were popping. As you guys seen, I did not have to do anything besides recurl these 2 front pieces. And honestly, I didn't even have to do that. I just wanted to make the video a little bit longer because I didn't want it to be like, oh, this is like a 3-minute video. But honestly, guys, right out of the box, curls, texture, the wig is bomb. I love that it already came customized. I love that it came with the tapes on the side. So if you are a girl that does not like adhesive around your hairline area, perfect wig for you. They also added some extra tapes in the box. You can't beat that. So those are my pros. Again, I love that the length is true to length. This is a 24-inch, and y'all, I'm pretty short, so it comes pretty long on me. It's definitely given 26 inches, so that is a plus as well. The texture of the hair is amazing. Like, it's really, really nice, and I'm not just saying that, guys. I really love the way this wig looks, and I plan on wearing this wig for a couple of days, honestly, because it looks so good. I will go into my cons now. I only have one. The only thing bad that I would say about this wig is that the hairline, it says pre-plucked, of course, customized hairline, but I would have wanted them to pluck it just a little bit more. The hairline looks great, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't look as natural as I would want it to. Again, I'm not showing the hairline of the wig, so it works for the style that it is. But if you are a girly who knows how to pluck her own frontals, if you want that more natural look, you can definitely just always go in and pluck it a little bit more to your desired look. But y'all, that's the only thing I can say about this wig, and that was literally me just trying to find something, because y'all, the texture feels amazing, the curls are bomb, and it fit my head perfectly. I didn't have to go through and cut the lace, nothing. Like, it fits perfectly. So chef's kiss, mwah, mwah, mwah. I love it. Let me know down below in the comment section if you like this wig or if you plan on buying it. Definitely let me know your feedback, because this is one that I 100% recommend. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up.